Okay, you got the sink and the tub coming in there. Almost like you got roots that are growing. They don't look like they're interfering with anything yet, but definitely got a mat of roots there, all right. Roots on the roof of the pipe right there. Yeah, I think roots is going to be the problem. More roots there. See, that root there is going to grab paper. And the paper, you can see paper on there now. And it's going to accumulate, and then you're going to have a blockage. See, the problem with that big clump is it's easy for the camera to get by there because the camera is solid. But when the paper hits that, you see there's paper on there now. The paper stops because it just grabbed that by that root. And the next flush, more paper stops. And pretty soon you got 3 feet of paper and you can't flush the toilet anymore. That's the problem with roots. And then it joins the PVC. And out here it holds water. So that's not good. Belly in the line, holding water. That paper's going to stop there. And here's the peak right there at this joint. There should be no water in the pipe. Sewer pipes should be completely empty unless there's somebody using water. So that means there's a dip in the line in the plastic. See, the camera's going underwater. What happens is that holds paper. And the paper stops there because it can't go anymore. It's got a dip in the line. So the shower drain comes in there. You see all those roots? So those roots are going in the shower drain pipe. And that's why it's draining slow. I mean, again, you can snake it. You got to go through the trap. If you can get a 1.5 inch cutting head in there and get it to go all the way past, you might remove a lot of those roots. But keep in mind, the roots are going to grow back. That's why you need to. This bathroom's going to get tore up because you're going to replace the sanitary in the wall. You got to replace this going out, and you got to replace that trap under there.